project is to sense motion in restricted area. So this is breadboard, these are jumper wires, this is Arduino, this is PIR sensor which is known as infrared passive infrared sensors, and this is buzzer, and this is a USB cable. So with the help of breadboard we have connected Arduino, PIR sensor and buzzer with the help of jumpers. We have also connected a resistor of 220 volt. With the help we have inputted code in the Arduino. So this is the project setup. The buzzer sound has rang, and therefore we came to know that motion is detected in restricted area.